How to add more stories to an existing highlight on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add more stories to an existing highlight on Instagram. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Instagram with your account. Alright, so after you open the application Instagram, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so now from this profile section, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here on the below of edit profile section, you'll be able to see highlights. So from here, you'll have to open the highlight story. Alright, so after you open the highlight, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on the three dots just at the bottom right corner. So simply you have to go with the option more. Alright, so from this section, you'll have to go with the option edit highlight. Alright, so from here, you can easily select the photo whom you want to add on highlight on Instagram. So you can choose it from story or select it. So after you choose one from here, you'll have to just tap on the done option just at the top right corner. Alright, so after you done this, you'll be able to add more stories to an existing highlight on Instagram. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.